Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome you all to NIEVS Home School. This is Mahmudur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take an English class for the students of class 5. Our today's topic is Unit 2, Lesson 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, look at the board dear students. This is the class of class 5, subject English, topic Unit 2, lesson 1 to 4, lecture number 3. I repeat again, this is your lecture number 3, and from today you will be given HW, that means homework. This is your homework number 1. Teacher Mahmudur Rahman, messenger Mahmudur Rahman Sohail, mobile 01735852285, and date, this is today's date. So Unit 2, the name is See You. There is a dialogue between two people here. In your previous lesson you have get acquainted with Mr. Andy Smith and Tomal. Here Andy Smith and Tomal is making a conversation. Read and say. Andy: hello Tomal, how are you? Tomal: hello Andy, I'm fine, thanks, and you? Andy: fine, thanks. Listen, I'm going to the book fair. Would you like to come? Tomal: I'm sorry, I can't right now. I have to take this medicine to my grandmother, but I can meet you in an hour. Andy: okay, great. I will see you at the book fair. Tomal: right. See you later. Bye. Andy: see you. See in the next page, Tomal and Andy meets in the book fair and they again starts a conversation. Andy: hello Tomal, how is your grandmother? Tomal: hi, she's fine, thanks. Andy: come, let me introduce my colleagues. Hi everybody, this is Tomal, and Tomal, meet Mr. Saha and Mrs. Heather, and this is Miss Smith. She is a new English teacher here. Mrs. Smith: hello Tomal, nice to meet you. Tomal: hello everybody, nice meeting you too. So dear students, from this unit we have learned how to introduce someone with another person. For example, Andy Smith introduces three people, Mr. Saha, Mrs. Smith and also Mrs. Heather to Tomal. And then how to say goodbye. When Andy Smith says goodbye to Tomal, he says see you. Dear students, there are some questions in exercise B. Pair word, ask and answer the questions. There are 4 questions. Where is Andy going? Number 2, where is Tomal going and why? Number 3, when can Tomal meet Andy? And number 4, how does Andy say goodbye to Tomal? I am giving the answer here. Look, the first question is where is Andy going? The answer is Andy is going to the book fair. Number 2, question is where is Tomal going and why? The answer is Tomal is going to give medicine to his grandmother. And number 3, when can Tomal meet Andy? The answer is Tomal can meet Andy in an hour. Sorry, there is a mistake. In an hour. And number 4 question is, how does Andy say goodbye to Tamal? Answer, Andy says goodbye to Tamal by saying see you. Dear students, this B, question number B will be your homework for this week. This will be your homework. There are 4 questions and you will do it in your HW copy. Submit your homeworks on every Saturday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Okay, I hope that you have understood today's lesson very well. If you have any problem, then contact me through my mobile number or my messenger. Hope for your best, study regularly and also attend the online classes regularly. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.